Welcome to this video. Today I want to talk to you about the devil that attacks us sometimes when we try to spend time with God. Let me share a story with you. So I've been working a lot and I'm working around 60 hours per week so I can make a good living for myself and so that I can prepare myself for when I get a family. So I've been working a lot. And at work, I do have time to read my Bible and to pray and all that stuff, and I do it. But there's one particular thing that's happening every single time when I try to spend time with God when I'm at work. And that's as an example when I'm getting my Bible app on my phone, I'm trying to read the Bible and I'm trying to understand, then there's always something that happens at work. I'm trying to read my Bible and then someone asks me a question, or I get distracted by something else that's happening, or every single time people come to me or talk to me whenever I'm trying to read the Bible. At first I didn't notice. I thought like, oh, okay, this is normal. But it kept happening every single day that I was at work. Every single time I tried to read my Bible or pray, there's always something that tried to stop it, to try to block me from spending time with God. This happens to a lot of people. I'm not the only one. There's probably some of you that also experienced this. Maybe you were at home and you're trying to read the Bible and then something pops up on your phone. You gotta pay taxes, or you have a fee that you have to pay, or you have a fee that you have to pay, or something happened in the kitchen, or your cat pooped on the ground. Every single time you try to spend time with God, there's the devil that attacks you to try to stop you spending time with God. Guys, it's important that when we see such things happen, to be aware of the situation. We gotta call the Lord and tell the Lord what's happening. He sees us, by the way, He sees us. But with the power and authority that God has given you, you can send the devil away on those moments. You can say, devil, go away in Jesus' mighty name and don't distract me anymore. Because my God is Jesus Christ of Nazareth, and only Him I will follow, and nothing else. It just couldn't be a coincidence. Every single time that I tried spending time with God, something happened. It's not a coincidence. It can't be a coincidence if it happens every single day when I'm at work. And now, okay, it's normal that you're at work, so you have to do the work at your job, but there's always gonna be silent moments when nothing happens, and those moments I pick out to read my Bible, to pray. And exactly at those silent moments, something comes to distract me again. But the devil has no authority. If I want to spend time with God, then I will spend time with God, and I'm gonna find a way to spend time with God. Even when I'm working 60 hours, that's not an excuse. Don't let it be an excuse in your life. Maybe you're busy, but don't let it be an excuse to cut your relationship with God to a short amount, because it's not worth it. Your spirit is gonna be so hungry for the Word of God. And your spirit needs food, spiritual food. Reading the Bible, spending time with God, to be full again. I'm telling you, don't let it be an excuse. The days when it's the hardest to make time, the days when you feel like you can't do it anymore, those are the days that you have to read the Bible, especially on those days, and pray and do everything you can, even if it's a little amount. It's about your intention to run after God. This is a short video but a powerful message, and I hope you had something out of this message. I hope you have a good day. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.